So differential equations was my only class today, and my professor said a couple things that just kind of made me chuckle. The first of which was he was talking about like a problem, a portion of a problem looking rather intimidating, and of course he's old and he's Asian, and his broken English he says basically, "Do not be afraid. It just paper tiger. It look bad. It not that bad." I've never heard that before, a paper tiger, which I don't know, I thought it was funny. And he was talking about kind of in the same vein, and he basically said, do not stress out. You need psychological stability. You're telling me to not let it make me crazy. That's reasonable advice, I guess, coming from him who's spent most of his life doing it. So I thought those were funny, so I just thought I would share them with you all. Generally speaking, I think surviving differential equations, intro to differential equations, comes down to two things. Being good at integrating and being good at deriving. Obviously integrating is a lot harder than deriving because deriving has a lot of like product rules and sum rules and stuff, and integrating doesn't. But that being said, there's still, that's still something to stay good at in its own right, but especially integrating techniques like U sub, trig sub, partial fraction, decomposition, all of that stuff, everything you could think of will probably come up. And that seems to be the biggest hurdle to differential equations, I think. As long as you're not trying to get neck deep in what you're doing and what it means and why you're doing it and the significance of the solution that you found, in the physical world or in a physical sense of a solution, then that's a whole other thing. And, obviously you could devote your whole life to that. There are a lot of people, my professor included, who devotes all of their research to PDEs, researching PDEs. So that aside, I think as long as you are proficient at deriving and especially proficient at integrating ugly stuff, then I think you'll be totally fine, because that's the vast majority of it. It's like 95% of it. If you already knew that, great. If you didn't, it just saved you. But I mean, you probably would have figured that out within the first day or two of a Diff-EQ class. But if you have it, coming up or in a semester or something like that, now you know. So that's all I got today. It's Friday. I'm going to do some work, and then I'm going to try and probably go goof off and do something. I don't know. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.